We don't know what we don't know.
A News 4 interview after the 2023 guilty verdict, one of the major sticking points during today's hearing for the Alec Murdaugh double murder retrial. Why it's raising questions now for the defense. Good evening. I'm Tessa Spencer. Alec Murdaugh fights to prove his innocence for a second time. This time, there's a new judge, potential new evidence, and the trial could be moved out of Colleton County. Accused of killing his wife and son 5 years ago, Alec Murdaugh's 2023 conviction was overturned just months ago because of the former clerk of court influencing the jury. Retrial proceedings got underway this morning in Lexington County, and our Mel Orleans explains what happened in court and what's next.
Murdaugh walked into this courtroom today stone cold, but he did crack a smile to a few people he knew in the front row. We did learn some things today, including a tentative trial date for April of next year. But perhaps the most compelling is the new evidence from the defense stemming from an interview our ABC News 4 team conducted just days after Murdaugh was convicted.
I believe he had some help in the aftermath. Or Rutland, yes. Captain Chapman, you know, the disposal of weapons, the moving around a vehicle. We heard so much about SLED and AG's office, and they don't have anything.
Dick Harpootlian, one of Alec Murdaugh's defense attorneys, reading a transcript from this interview.
Should we have found a bunch of evidence there? No, it's a cleaned scene.
That was Colleton County Sheriff's Captain Jason Chapman. Chapman's investigation played a key role in convicting Alec Murdaugh. He was one of the first responders that June night in 2021 when Murdaugh's wife Maggie and son Paul were found dead.
This is 10 days after the trial. This is not what Chapman testified to. And if Chapman has evidence, there were other people at the scene, that he had assistance under their theory, or there were other people there. We need to have that furnished to us.
Harpootlian doesn't believe the prosecution's hiding evidence. They just want more time reviewing what's available.
To sit here and imply, we don't know what we don't know. Well, I'll recognize that, but I know that my obligation is to provide that information to the defense, and if I'm aware of it.
The defense also filing a motion pushing for the DNA found under Maggie's fingernail to be analyzed by a third party. State police determined the DNA was not related to Alec Murdaugh, but belongs to an unrelated male.
What we're asking for didn't really exist in 2021. It does exist today, and Othram is the leading lab that performs this analysis. They cleared 200 cold cases on behalf of law enforcement.
Griffin, a defense attorney, says they don't think it's a red herring, but they want to look into it. At issue, is there even enough DNA to analyze, and how long would it take? Judge Deborah McCaslin didn't shoot down the defense's motion, but wants concrete answers about a timeline before she allows the sample to be sent off. That's the reason the April 5th trial date is tentative. It largely depends on updates to evidence, other pretrial hearings, and motions, which the defense hinted it has more coming. There's one thing she was clear about.
But I'm not going to allow him to have a laptop computer in his cell. It's for safety reasons. That's out of my control.
The defense wanted this to give Murdaugh time to review the evidence. He could be allowed to download material on an iPad, but that remains undecided. As for now, Murdaugh will continue to appear in pretrial hearings wearing this, an orange jumpsuit with restraint chains. The defense argues seeing that could sway a potential jury.
The intent is not to prejudice anyone. The intent is the security of every time someone is transported out of court. It is a security risk.
Another issue we were hoping to learn more about today is the location for that retrial. We know the next pretrial hearing will happen here in Lexington County, but the judge ordered both the prosecution and the defense now to come to a decision on several possible locations. The defense arguing a fair and impartial jury would be nearly impossible in Colleton County, where Murdaugh is well known. Working for you in Lexington, Mel Orleans, ABC News 4.